All right, Bitcoin is about to bust through key support here, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you what's going to happen after support breaks, where I'm looking to bounce, what's going to happen after, and I'm going to show you something in here, smaller time frames as we go into non-farm payroll tomorrow morning, something that can occur here on the smaller time frames before we actually bust through. I see a lot of people looking at this to hold support around 90K. I just don't think it's going to happen. I'm quite literally short for it. Over on Blowfin, we've been in this Ethereum short from the top, and we're holding on to it. So I'm going to show you exactly what I'm seeing on the charts. As always, guys, this is your daily Bitcoin update. If you're new to the channel, this is Elliott Wave Theory. Over in the free Discord, pinned in the first comment down below, I have a free Elliott Wave boot camp. It's a 3-hour-long boot camp. You will learn Elliott Wave here and get an overview of how I trade. If you're interested, just click the link to join the free Discord pinned in the first comment down below. Let's get into this. All right, dumpy. Tough trading in here, guys. I am essentially short on Ethereum from up here, so I'm chilling. We tried taking a couple stabs at a couple scalp trades in here. Tough, just keeps pushing down, What I am looking for overall is an ABC to come on down here. I see a lot of people calling for head and shoulders. I see it. It's there, but I just look at things in terms of Elliott Wave Theory. And for me, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm looking for an ABC correction, upon which we're going to go attack all-time high again. I do not think the high is in. I think we're going to go hit it again after we finish up this correction. In here, I see a flat correction. Boom, 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 done. If you've been watching this channel, I was looking for continuation to the downside, and we were looking for this flat. That's why we shorted ETH up here. Looking to take this down. So far, so good. Now, in my opinion, just pulling fibs on this, I'm seeing at least the 1-to-1 getting hit. We're kind of close to the 786 at 90K. I know a lot of people out there are looking at 90K to hold as support. I think it's a very popular zone right now, and I think it's just gonna dump right on through. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. My first area of interest is gonna be right here at around 87K. Essentially right here where this little support area is. It's right at the 1-to-1. It looks good to me, but I'm really keen on price coming down here anywhere from 77K to 80K, somewhere in this price range, to finish out our ABC. That is what is really making me salivate. Now, we're going to go smaller time frames on this. I'm going to show you what I'm seeing because I'm not too sure we're going to dump right through here quite yet. I'm going to show you what to watch out for into tonight, into tomorrow, and how you can play this. Before I do that, guys, make sure you check out the premium Discord. I post all of my trades in here. Just got done with 2 live streams today for the boys and girls. My 24/7 live charts are in here. My indicators are all included. Just click upgrade here. Head over to WAP, and you can subscribe there. You have 1 day left. You have till tomorrow to sign up to get $20 off for life. If you are a premium member, all my premium members right now in the group, they're going to get $20 off for life for the 2025 new year. Tomorrow that becomes effective. The special will end. So you need to get in there tonight into tomorrow if you want to enjoy this. If you see this up here in the Discord, it's still running. I will take it down once I have changed the prices and it goes back to just $98 a month. So get in there now if you want to. Now, let's go smaller time frames here. Show you how I'm looking to trade this because I really want to put in a trade on BTC. I'm sitting on Ethereum over on Blowfin, but I want to get in BTC as well. Couple things I'm watching out for. From the move down from 103K. Guys, I do see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished here. In yesterday's video, I was telling you it looks to be finished right here. Nothing's changed there. Nothing's changed. What I do see on the chart is a flat correction here. It came up essentially to the 1-to-1, I believe. Yeah, pretty much to the 1-to-1. Looks good to be finished for a flat correction. Now, we could be finished here, and we could be starting our push to the downside. A very shallow correction of this wave, as you can see. Usually, you want to see it come up a little higher. I'm not satisfied with how shallow it is, but in very dumpy environments, you'll get that. You'll get that. What that would mean is, if we do get a wave 3, our wave 4 is probably going to be deep and then come down for wave 5. A little bit of alteration in there since wave 2 was so shallow. We'll get a deep wave 4. But what I'm more interested in is for this correction to not be finished yet. You know, we still have a flat here. I'm not saying that's not a flat, but I'm looking at a more complex correction coming up into here overnight into tomorrow morning. Now, how are we going to do that? Well, I'll tell you right now, and I told the premium Discord members this, I'm going to be looking short up in here if we get up here. I'll tell you why. So, the way I see things shaking out, the most probable path for BTC, I'll tell you in 1 second. If you're looking to trade this, guys, I use Blowfin and I use BitUnix. They are the two best no KYC exchanges out right now. It's what everyone uses, available globally. Pinned in the first comment down below are the links for the Chart Junkies promotions. I get you the best promotions possible on these exchanges, guys. I do it every time. I want to make it worth your time. Initial deposit bonus and trading volume bonus. Pause the screen, read it. That's for Blowfin. BitUnix, you will get their VIP 2 trading fee package, which is 15% off fees, and then you get an additional 20% on your deposits up to $200. So if you deposit $1,000, you get $200 for free. That's an addition. I would do it just for the trading fees, honestly, guys. So check out BitUnix, check out Blowfin. That's all I'll say about that. Back to business. I'm going to draw in our flat here just so we don't lose it. Flat right there. What I can see shaking out is I have a finished 5-wave impulse. I want to see a correction here. We're about to get it. It looks good. I'm going to try a short right here on BTC for 2 reasons. Number 1, there's the potential for, like I said, this to be the finished correction of this. And we can start a big, big wave to the downside here. I want to be a part of that. I want to be a part of that. But the more probable option, and what I will hedge against, is still shorting here, coming down, putting in just another ABC correction to the downside. Look like it's going to go, lose support, come down to 90K where everyone's expecting some support to be had, and then lift off for a flat correction. So we have one leg here, another leg here, finishing leg here. Turn this green. All right, this should be impulsive here. Now, my plan, and you guys can do whatever the hell you want to do, I'm going to put in a nice short here. I'm ready for this to come up and just take me out. I'm ready for this to be, you know, a finished correction here and just come up and flat right now. Definitely a possibility, but I'm taking a stab here. I will be closing about half my position if we get a sweep of liquidity down here, hoping to hold the rest for a massive dump and hedging against a big up move. If I do see a candle start to form here, I'll probably close out the rest and then look to flip long on BTC for this move into NFP tomorrow. Once we come up here, that would be a solid correction for me. So then I can say, okay, we got 1, all this is 2 to here. Now we can come down for big time 3, 4, 5, all the way down here. I will be looking short if we get this move up here as well. So essentially looking to short a retrace of this once we come up a little higher, to take it down here, hopefully keep dumping, watching out for this to come up, sweep liquidity into tomorrow morning, and then continue our dump down to targets, you know, 77K. All right, that's what I'm looking at, guys. I will keep you posted. Make sure you join the premium Discord to get the $20 off for life starting tomorrow. You need to be in Discord by tomorrow. I'll see you guys in the next video. Appreciate you watching. Trade safe. Love you. Bye.